Welcome to ExBot Help. This is ExBot developer, Isuru Abarathna. In this video, I will explain the initial configuration process of ExBot. I'm going to press Ctrl+Shift+Z on my keyboard to start the ExBot application. As you can see, this is the default interface when ExBot opens for the first time. The ledger still contains default transactions. The first thing we need to do is add our own money sources, add funds to those sources. To do that, I'll click the Extend Right button. This opens the Settings panel. Here, I'll use the Add/Remove Data section to manage money sources. In the Criteria dropdown, you'll see two options, ExpCode Source. For now, I'll select Source. Below this dropdown, you can see the current number of money sources. This number is not editable. It's only for reference. When you have many sources, this makes tracking easier. You'll also notice that when I hover over controls, tooltips appear, explaining what each control does. Now, let's add a new money source. I'll create a bank account called Commercial Bank. To keep things consistent, I use a standard format for money source names. Short, clear names improve readability. I'll use 5 characters and enter COMRL. Then I click Save or Proceed. ExBot now asks for confirmation. I need to type the word add exactly, including uppercase and lowercase letters. Let me show you what happens if it's incorrect. I type it incorrectly on purpose. As you can see, the confirmation fails. Now I'll do it correctly. I type S in the Criteria dropdown to quickly select Source, press Tab, enter COMRL, click Save or Proceed, and type Add. The OK button is already highlighted, so I just press Enter on my keyboard. You can see the new money source has been added successfully. Now I'll add another bank account, BOC. I enter BOC, click Save or Proceed, type Add, and press Enter. The message confirms it was added successfully. At this point, we have Pocket Credit Card, COMRL BOC. The credit card source already exists, so I'll keep it. However, ExBot also has a default bank source, which I don't need, so I'll remove it. To delete a source, I select Source again and type Bank. The name must match exactly. This process is case-sensitive. When you enter an existing value, ExBot understands that you want to delete, not add. I click Save or Proceed. ExBot now asks to confirm deletion. I choose Yes. ExBot automatically creates a backup just in case. Since the bank source already has transactions and funds, ExBot asks me to merge it with another source. This is important. Money and transactions can't simply disappear. I choose to merge it with credit card, which is source ID 3. I enter 3, press Enter, confirm again, and finally type Delete to complete the process. The system confirms that the bank source was successfully removed. After ExBot restarts, notice, the bank source is gone. Existing transactions were merged. The credit card balance increased by 5,000. A tag was added to the note for tracking purposes. All other data remains unchanged. Now our new bank accounts exist, but they don't have funds yet. I start ExBot again using Ctrl+Shift+Z. Notice that the cursor automatically snaps to the amount field. This is intentional, so you can start typing immediately. I enter 5,000. For ExpCode, I select Other. The other ExpCode is used for records that are not income or expense, such as fund imports. Each ExpCode has a description, which you can see in the legend display. The legend shows ExpCodes and descriptions. Money sources, status values, loan details. In ExBot, debit equals money coming into a source. Credit equals money going out from a source. Since we're adding funds, I select Debit. Faster way to add similar records. Instead of typing everything again, I'll use a shortcut. I double-click an existing ledger record to load it into the panel. Then, I only change what's necessary. I change the source to COMRL, set status to Closed, keep today's date, and update the note to Funds Added, Commercial Bank. Then I press Alt+A to add the record. I repeat the same steps. Double-click an existing record, change source to B, OC. Update the note to funds added, BOC press. Alt+A, and we're done. In this video, we covered adding money sources, deleting and merging sources, importing funds into new sources, adding ledger records efficiently. In the next video, I'll show you adding and deleting ExpCodes, deleting ledger records safely. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more ExBot tutorials and updates. For support and additional information, check the links in the description. See you in the next video.